Hi, dear students, how are you? I hope you're fine. Today we're going to have a new lesson about adding and subtracting unlike fractions. Okay, guys, if I have unlike fractions in the denominator, so I can use a method, it's called LCD. LCD, least common denominator. So if I have here, as in the example, 2 3 over 4 plus 5 2/3. How can I solve this? Take the denominator here, 4 and 3. Take them and multiply them by each other. 4 multiply 3 gives me what, guys? 12, and here the same 12. Okay, what happens to 4 that becomes here 12? Multiply 3, and what I do down, I do up. Multiply 3. What I do in the denominator, I do for the numerator. And here 9. Okay, what about this one? 3 multiplies what gives me that 12? 4, and this will be the same times 4, so it's 8. So I have here 9 over 12, 8 over 12. Okay, so can I now add them? Remember, don't forget that you have here what we have here, guys, a whole number. We have here for the first one 2, and the second one here 5. Okay, 2 plus 5 gives me 7. 9 plus 8 gives me, yes, 17. So I have here 17 over 12. Okay, so we now have 17th over 12. We can leave it like this, or we can do what, guys? We can rename it. Rename it. Why? To become here, I want it to become, I can here change that what I got here 7, the last thing that we write, 17th over 12, right? I can make this into what? Into another method, because we have here improper. 17 divided 12. Okay, so it gives me 1, and I have here because 12 divided 12 gives me 1, and the remainder is what? 17 minus 12 gives me, yes, gives me 5, and the denominator the same, 12. 1 plus 7 is 8. 8 and 5 over 12. Okay, guys? Okay, what about this one? I can solve it by the same way, or we can change here the improper from the first, the mixed from the first into improper. 5 times 8 gives me 40. 40 plus 2, 42 over 5. Minus 10 times 2, 20. 20 plus 9, 29 over what? Over 10. 10 and 5. What should I take here? I will make here 5, 10 as this one. 5 multiplies 2 gives me 10. What I multiply down, I multiply up. 42 times 2, 2 times 2, 4, 2 times 4, 8. So I have here 84 and 29 over 10, and 29 over 10 minus 29 over 10. So 84 minus 29, I do it here. 84 minus 29, I do all the calculation. 14 minus 9 gives me 5, and this is 7 minus 2 gives me another 5. 55 over 10. Okay, then I will simplify. Simplify means divided 5, divided 5. It gives me what, guys? 11 over what? Over 2. 11 over 2, it's what? When I convert it into mixed, it will be, yeah, it will be 11. 10 divided 2 gives me 5. So it will be 5, and the remainder will be what? Okay, 5, and the remainder will be here another what? Just a moment. So I have here 5 here. So I have here 11. Okay, we will write it again here. 11 over 5. 11 over, yes, 11 over 2. So we reach it until this. 11 divided 2, okay. The nearest thing is 10 divided 2, which is 5 here, okay, as a whole number, and the difference 11 minus 10, it's 1, so it's 5.5. So I have here some practice here. Y equal 13 over 21 minus third. So we have to make this LCM of both. 3 is 3, 21 is 21 divided 7 gives me 3 divided 3 gives me 1. 7 multiply 3 and another here what guys, and another 3. So we'll take 7 multiply 3 is 21. So the LCM is 21. Okay, 21 and 21. Okay, what happens to 3 to become 21? Multiply 7. So this one, the numerator multiply 7. So I have here 7 and I have here 13. Okay, so 13 minus 7 gives me what? Gives me 6 over 21 divided by 3 because we have common here, so it will be 2 over what? 21 divided by 3 give me, remember, 7. So the answer is 2 over 7. I have here what? Evaluate each expression given. I have here given x with half, y equal negative 2 over 3, z equal 3 over 4. Z minus x, instead of z, write 3 over 4. Minus what? Minus x. X here with half. Okay, so I'm having here 4 and 2, so make 2 like 4. So I have here 3 over 4 minus, we will multiply this by 2 and this another by 2. So 2 times 2, 4. I have here 4 and 1 times 2, 2. 3 minus 2 is 1 over what? Over 4. So the answer is 1 over 4. Okay, guys, this was here number 15. Okay, I want you to complete this as a homework. Thank you, my dear students, for listening.